I decided to learn to program. First, I need to find a programming language. I searched on YouTube and found that Python is best for me, and it is probably the best choice for you too.
Either Python or JavaScript. And throughout this
Python is an incredibly versatile, beginner-friendly programming language. It's a clean, easy-to-read syntax, making it a great starting point for anyone new to coding, just like me. I learned that Python is great for building websites, software development, analyzing data, creating games, or even task automation. Another beginner programming language is JavaScript, which the videos talked about, but I decided against it as JavaScript is more orientated to web development instead of software development and data analysis, which make more fun projects, so I'll be more encouraged to learn, so I chose to do Python. Don't get me wrong, many YouTubers said JavaScript is a fantastic
go
language,
with JavaScript.
especially if you're interested in web development. But for me, Python's versatility won me over. Now that I've decided to program in Python, the next step is to install Python itself. Head over to python.org, the official website for Python, and download the latest version. Make sure to select the appropriate version for your operating system. Once the download is complete, run the installation file and follow the instructions provided. During the installation process, be sure to check the option to add Python to the system's path. Adding Python to path allows you to access Python from any location on your computer, making it easier to run your Python programs and scripts. Now that we have Python installed, the next step is to choose a text editor or IDE to write and manage our code. A text editor is a tool that provides features like syntax highlighting, code formatting, and other helpful functions. There are several popular text editors available, each with its own set of features and advantages. I decided to choose PyCharm as it offers a great balance between functionality and simplicity. Once you have chosen a text editor, head over to the respective website and download the installation file. Run the file and follow the instructions to complete the installation. To learn programming, I'm going to use YouTube videos and the Python Crash Course 2nd edition book. Now that we have our IDE installed, we can run our first line of code. All we have to do is print hello world and run it. Now we completed our first line of code. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to follow my journey of learning how to code. Let me know of anything I should do in the comments below.